Hey, you know, when I was in 5th grade I was crushing on this girl and little me was trying to impress her by doing a cartwheel. Yeah, I was pretty cool back then, but doing so my pants ripped right down the crotch. So, to finally win her over I have to make the ultimate jeans, utilizing extra tough 14-ounce denim. The only problem is I have no idea how, so let's make the design first. I only need... There you are. Okay, so to have maximum movability we have to go with a baggy fit. Legs shouldn't be too long, huge pockets so you can bring flowers and cross-bed boots. Alright, now let's get the measurements. To transfer the pattern to the fabric, I've seen tailors use these chalk triangles. I don't have one, but I found this chalk marker. Wipes off all porous surfaces. That should work. I have no idea if these will actually fit, but there's only one way to find out. Now for the scary part.
Well, I can feel that things are getting hot. I wanna give you everything I've
Okay,
got.
just to clarify, I've never sewn jeans before, and I don't even know if my sewing machine can handle this thick of a fabric. So let's do a little test piece. It's not great, but let's see how far we can get. I truly liked the results until I didn't. I didn't like the results at all. I mean, the markings will fade in the washing process, but I don't like the color. I wonder how fashion manufacturers get this beautiful light blue with all the variation. Let's see if I can find something. Okay, so apparently they have these giant washing machines in which they wash the jeans together with pumice stones and bleach. The rough surface of the stones then scuff up the fibers, which softens the fabric and allows the bleach to penetrate, creating the stone-washed look. Unfortunately, I don't have a giant washer. But what I do have is a bike, a giant plant pot, zip ties and a drill. Let me present to you the stone washer. I mean, the stone washer. With a high-capacity drum, easy access panel, reliable safety switch, and my favorite part, the high-power engine with precision speed control and the no human hand needed trigger. Let's power this on. And now we wait.
Learn to love before I die. I was naked then.
Wait, why are the markings still on there? Now for the most important test.